She has saved it now, she has to work. What's the file name?
निफ्टी 50 कैसे सेव किया? डेस्कटॉप पे कर लेना।
डेस्कटॉप में ही है।
अरे तो ऑलरेडी सेव है, दिख नहीं रहा है ना, इसलिए तो बोल रहा है कि डेस्कटॉप पे कर ले।
अरे रुक जाओ, ये लैपटॉप चेंज हो गया तो उसकी वजह से।
डेस्कटॉप पे सेव कहाँ किया है?
Recording.
देयर इज नो ऑप्शन सर, सो आई हैव टू रिकॉर्ड मैनुअली।
सारा न्यू लेगा, शादी चल रहा है ना, हर एक न्यू एंगल से लेना है।
This date format is right or not? I'm not sure. Okay, let it be fine. We'll see. Okay, so this is the date. So here from June 18th to we have till 13th June 2025 till today. 3 days back. Okay, fine. So now let's go to analyze. First of all, I need to see whether my data is having any kind of a trend. First thing in ARIMA is to check the stationarity, correct? So for that, what we need to do, go to sequence charts, forecasting sequence charts, click on this, variable close, time axis date, just click OK.
Here we have to take screenshot, that's also set earlier.
So there is some kind of a trend. Actually, I told you how the stationarity looks like. It is not stationary, it is non-stationary. Okay, this is graphical way of confirmation, this is non-stationary, correct? Graphical way of confirmation, this is non-stationary.
Non-stationary.
And other way of confirmation is what? Second level of confirmation is what? One is graphical way, it is non-stationary. And second one, we go to again forecasting, go to autocorrelation, just keep the close file here. Just it will be checked in autocorrelation, partial autocorrelation, it will be checked in automatically, don't do anything. Just click OK. Click OK. See, this kind of pattern if you observe, this gradual decrease, the gradual decrease in this bars. Actually it should not, it should come to within this level only. There are two black lines here, these are the limits. These spikes should be within these black lines. But whenever the spikes are above the black lines and is gradually reducing, that is the non-stationary. And there is one more test also you can see. The text name is LB test, lung box statistics. If you remember, I said this. So this has to come more than 0.5%, but it is less than 0.5, which means there is a autocorrelation. Generally, we have different methods. One is differential, other one is log transformation. We do different ways of conversions. So now what we do? So we first, on the surface, what we came to know, the data is non-stationary, which is not correct to perform ARIMA directly. That means in ARIMA, what I said? Okay, here it is. In ARIMA, what I said? We have three terms here. One is in ARIMA, AR is one term, I is one term, MA is one term. AR is autoregressive, which means the current value of Y depends upon its previous value. That is autoregression. MA is all about the current error term is based on its previous error terms. Okay, I is all about stationarity. This will tell you. If your data is non-stationary at level, this will become 0. But in this case, our data is having some kind of trend, which means it is non-stationary. To make it stationary this way, we have to do some transformation to this raw data. That may be two kinds of transformations. One is differencing way, other one is log transformation. Anything you can perform to convert this data to this level type of data, stationary data. So when this kind of transformation is done, then we call it as I of 1 or I of 2. Then I will become A1, 2, 3, likewise it will be